Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to review the Android Marshmallow update on the LG G4. So let's get started. As you can see, in terms of user interface, there isn't much difference between Android Marshmallow and Android Lollipop on the LG G4. Here's the Android version 6.0 and it is running on Android security patch level of February. So it's not on the latest Android 6.0.1 and even the security patch level is quite old. So let's have a look at what has changed. There are only minor changes, one of them being Android doors and another being Google Now on tap. So let's have a look on Google Now on tap. If you press and hold the home button, you'll get information regarding whatever is on your home screen. As you can see, there was a message regarding Civil War. So I got all the information about Captain America Civil War. It has 8.5 IMDb rating. Google, YouTube, Facebook and other social media links are given. And you could also share a screenshot using Google Now on tap. So when I clicked on YouTube, I got a video on Captain America Civil War. As you can see, it's very similar to Android Lollipop. Let's go into apps, as now we have granular app permissions. Let me show them to you. Yeah. So as you can see, there's a permission section. I can decide what kind of permissions do I want to give to apps, like Amazon has permission to contacts, phone and storage. Let me show another one. Here's Chrome, permissions. Chrome app has access to microphone, contacts, camera, storage, location. I can turn them off. And apps will not misbehave as Google gives false information to the apps. Like if you have disabled location services, the app will not stop working. Google will feed in some random information about location. Another major feature is inclusion of Android doors mode. It will help you save battery on your smartphone when it is on standby mode. The battery percentage on my LG G4 at the end of the day was a little bit better as compared to that on Lollipop because of this. Now I'm getting around 4.5 hours of screen on time on my regular usage. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you and have a nice day.